Good morning, my subscribers. There's something else I just want to check today. You all know, especially the guys with the solar systems installations, this is a plug that comes from a solar panel. Sorry, but this one is like comes from the panel, and this one is the one that goes to your controller or your inverter. I just always wonder because I had a problem with connectivity. It's like if there's a dry joint, and then that you see we cut this off and we made up a new a joint, and after that the voltage was low. It was supposed to be 240 volt of the 6 panels in series, and it's only 120 volt comes out. It's like if there's like a dry joint, and I just thought maybe, who knows, they designed this connectors, but who knows this inside, by the way it makes contact, it is made a proper contact, because we can't find after this I will cut it open and see if there's no, where they crimp it, if there's no a bad joint there. Okay, but what I did is the way to figure it out, I'm gonna measure, the distance between these two bodies here. Then I'm going to lock my vernier, and then I'm going to cut open here, and then afterwards put it back again, and then have the same distance and see if that connections inside is not loose or something. Okay, as I said, I measured and I checked the distance between these two sides. It's exactly 43 millimeters. Now I'm gonna cut open this plastic quickly and get back to you. Okay, now see, this is the pieces that came off. Now what I'm gonna do, see, this is what I mean. You can see this is relatively fine. Let's just put the same distance here between the two. It's more or less there. Then I can see it is like it made properly. It's like stiff, so it will make enough contact. I think I just thought maybe this thing doesn't make lack of contact, but this looks fine. Okay, the next, I see, so the design is fine. I don't see any arcing or something inside here. I'm gonna cut now the whole thing open here to see if the crimp parts wasn't maybe crimped properly. I'm gonna cut this rest open. Okay, now I just want you to see, this is the part that comes from the factory, from the solar panel. Look at the crimp plug. It's relatively nicely crimped. It's like it's supposed to be. There's it's in the middle of the two plates, and it is strong. But look at this one from the one from the installer. It is relatively strong. It's not supposed to be or look like a bad joint or something, but you didn't crimp it properly. This looks like skew. There is some sideways, so the tool that they use is not good, or they don't use the tool correctly. So I just wonder how many installations they do with that this thing is not crimped properly. So maybe this is maybe the problem, or maybe I still have a problem with some of my other panels. Okay, but this doesn't look too bad. And as I said, like this one it's making nice, so it's not supposed to have any issues. The wire thickness looks fine. Let's take all the sleeving off. It looks like more or less the same as this. So the wires, they use good wires. It's just the crimping is not so good, and the connector seals all right. So I think that looks fine. So now we know how it looks inside the solar panels crimp lock with the pinches that make the contact. I just thought maybe I just want to see how this stuff look inside. Yeah, there's a little rubber that seals it with for the water, little rubber O-ring, and but it looks fine. So maybe there's still another problem with the other joints. Since I see this, maybe this guy didn't crimp it properly. It will naturally be better if you maybe solder a soldering machine and just solder the joint here properly. Then you know it will last forever. Okay, this is just one quick thing, quick video. I hope you enjoy it. Till next time, cheers.